What is happening, guys? Welcome back to part 3 of the NVIDIA Blueprint project. This is video 3 out of a 3-part series. In video 1 we covered all of the components going into this build. Video 2 we did a time-lapse build, and video 3 we are going to be showing you the slight modifications going into this build. So guys, if any of you want to win some computer components for your computer, remember that this exact build will be in a contest, a speed build contest at Curtin University, Western Australia at RFLAN on April 23rd to 24th. So make sure you guys show up on the day to participate in this build. Remember, spectators are free to the RFLAN event. Just rock up on the day, go to the NVIDIA and Corsair booth and sign up to participate. The fastest 2 pairs to build this exact build that I'm building will win some computer components. And don't worry, if you don't win, there will be lots of resellers selling this build as a complete package but not built. However, a few of the components may vary slightly because they are not yet released in Australia. So let's get into the video. Now, our first minor modification to the build we want to show you guys is simple, cheap and easy to do, which is something you want for a budget build. So we're going to be putting some vinyl logo on the front. Now, we have chosen the NVIDIA claw because we really think that it'll suit the build, and NVIDIA are a big part of this project. So to start with, we went to Google, we found an image that we liked and we want to save that. And then we want to open up our vinyl cutting program and import the image so we can build some contours around that to cut it out in the vinyl, which is exactly what we have done. So once our vinyl plotter has cut out the image, we cut it out to size and then we start weeding. We get rid of all of the vinyl that we don't want so that we are just left with the logo. Now, I like to use a sharp object such as a knife just to remove all of that stuff and to make sure that none of the vinyl logo pulls up with the waste vinyl. Once that this vinyl is prepared, we pull back some application tape and we want to put the vinyl on top of that. Now, this will make it easier for us to apply our vinyl. Simply remove the back film, set that aside, and then place your vinyl on there in your desired position. Now, you want to try and apply some pressure to it to get the vinyl to stick. Try and get it as smooth as possible. Little bubbles like that won't matter, simply pull up the tape and then reapply some force to it. Now, once it's all applied properly, simply start at one corner, peeling slowly. Now, if any parts come up, simply pat that application tape back down, give it a bit of a rub and then start peeling it off again. And here we have the finished result. A nice simple modification to the outside of the case just to make it pop. Now, while we're at it, we also added an LED fan to our cooler. This is another slight modification we did, which really works with this build. Now, if we added some other LEDs, it might have been a bit more overpowering because you can see the motherboard also has a nice orange ambient glow underneath. So with the orange ambient glow under the motherboard and the white LED fan on top of the cooler, we wanted to leave this build as it is. Some nice, simple, cheap DIY mods that anyone can achieve at home. I hope you guys enjoyed the video. Remember to check down in the description for more details on how to win some prizes. Remember to leave a comment down below, guys, and we'll see you in the next video.